Most people download a Notes app, use it for 5 minutes, then stick with it for years without asking, is this actually the best fit? Your Notes app is where ideas live before they become real. The wrong choice wastes time, fragments your thinking, and costs money you didn't need to spend. Over the next 9 minutes, I tested 7 of the most popular iPad Notes apps: Apple Notes, OneNote, Notion, GoodNotes, Notability, Obsidian, and Markdown editors. Here's what I actually found. I used the exact same workflow with each app, capturing quick thoughts, organizing long-form writing, searching old notes, and switching between devices. I rated them on speed, collaboration, offline access, cost, and learning curve. I didn't test every single feature. I tested what actually matters for real people. 2 weeks minimum with each one. Spoiler: the most expensive app didn't win. Neither did the most popular. Apple Notes is free, fast, and comes pre-installed. Most people dismiss it because it looks simple. That's a mistake. It's genuinely good at one thing: capturing and organizing quick thoughts across iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Collaboration works seamlessly with other Apple users. Search is instant. The downside: not designed for power users. Limited organization, no third-party integrations, locked into Apple's ecosystem. If you just need a place to dump thoughts and retrieve them later, Apple Notes does that perfectly. Microsoft OneNote is the feature-packed choice. Unlimited notebooks, sections, pages, and collaborative editing that actually works across teams. Web Clipper saves entire articles. Free version is genuinely useful. Paid tier adds minimal value. The problem? It's slow on iPad, the UI feels dated, and organization becomes chaotic fast. Search sometimes buries what you need. If you're already in the Microsoft ecosystem for work, it makes sense. Otherwise, it's feature overload for the average person. Notion is a database masquerading as a notes app. You can build wikis, project trackers, habit logs, and knowledge bases. The learning curve is steep, really steep. Notion's iPad app is slower than the web version. Free plan works, but limitations add up. Most people start planning to build a second brain and abandon it for a simpler tool. If you're genuinely building a complex system, Notion delivers. If you just want to take notes, Notion is overkill. If you're handwriting notes with the Apple Pencil, GoodNotes 5 and Notability are the specialized tools. Both convert handwriting to text, support PDF annotation, and organize pages beautifully. GoodNotes 5 is $7 one time. Notability requires a subscription. Both are faster and more intuitive on iPad than any other option for pencil work. The catch: if you're typing most of your notes, these feel expensive and overbuilt. Reserve these for students, designers, and people who genuinely write by hand. Obsidian is a plain text note system with linking features. Your notes stay in folders on your device, not locked in someone's cloud. You own them, can sync however you want, and can switch away whenever you choose. It's free and powerful. The community is obsessed with it for good reason. The downside: the interface is intimidating. You need to understand structure before starting, and iPad support is limited compared to desktop. Perfect for someone building a long-term thinking system. Apple Notes wins if you want speed and simplicity. OneNote wins if you need team collaboration. Notion wins if you're building a second brain and have time. GoodNotes or Notability win if you handwrite notes. Obsidian wins if you're building a long-term system and want ownership. There's no single winner because different people have different workflows. That's why picking the right one matters more than picking the popular one. The best Notes app depends on your actual workflow, not what's trending. Start with Apple Notes. It's free, solid, and if you outgrow it, switching is painless. Collaborate at work? Check OneNote or Notion. Handwrite notes? Grab GoodNotes. Building a permanent knowledge system? Try Obsidian. I've compared all of them with pricing, offline features, and sync details in the description. Check it out now. What questions do you have? Comment below and we will make a video about it.